Alright guys, if you're here right now, hopefully you've already seen part 1 of how to build a wedding arch. And if you haven't, there should be a link right up here. Go ahead and click on that, watch that video, then come here and resume part 2. So in part 2, we're going to be building the top and putting it all together. This is super exciting. Thank you for being here. If you like this video, make sure, don't forget to like, and if you want to see some more, subscribe so you can see all the other stuff I do on this channel. Thank you guys for being here. Let's get to it. So both sides are completely cut, they're put together, they're screwed together, everything is done with the sides. So now it's time to start on the top. So I've got two 8-foot 2x6's ready to cut. I'm gonna cut those to length, which I think is gonna be around 6 feet. Yeah, so we're done with the sides, ready for the top. So my miter saw is not quite big enough for this. So I'm gonna have to cut one side, flip it, then cut the other. So on these 2x6 cutoffs, I'm gonna go ahead and do some test cuts. So right here you can see I've got this 45-degree angle drawn in here. Looks good to me. Okay, so the two big beams for the top are cut, and now I need to cut just a bunch of those little beams that are gonna go across the big beam, and then we're gonna put it all together and see how it actually looks. We're almost done. Alright, so one tip is that when you're assembling it, you need to assemble it upside down so that the top is perfectly perpendicular to the side. So here is a sneak peek of what it looks like at the moment. This is just with those boards on the top just laying there. That was the final screw right there. So pumped. All right, I'm gonna give it a quick wipe down, make sure there's no dust left on it, and then tomorrow I'm gonna be ready to stain it.